Hey guys, I am Arvind from arvindsundar.com, and I wanted to thank you for downloading this free course called Marketing for Builders. There's a lot I want to get through, and I hope that this course is like super duper useful for you. And if at any time you have any questions, you can reach out to me on Twitter as well as send me an email. All right, let's get started. This is what we're going to be covering, right? There's a whole lot of stuff, and don't worry about it. You're going to be going through each one of these things piece by piece. They're going to be split up into separate videos. So let's dig in. Hi, I am Arvind Sundar. I'm a former CMO of an edtech startup, and I am also a 3X founder. I've started 3 companies in the past, and this is in fact my 3rd attempt, and all goes well, it's going to be the best one ever. In the past, I've had a training outfit. I still do training and workshops right now. I've also run a marketing agency called Grok Communications, and I also do a lot of product-led growth consulting. A little bit about me before we get into the details of marketing. I have a little daughter, and I call her the little witch. I also talk about a lot in my emails. I love Dungeons and Dragons. I've been running a game for the past 2020, so almost 3 years now. Yeah, 3 years to the day. That's pretty dope. I love playing video games. The Last of Us, The Last of Us 2, Horizon Zero Dawn, and The Ghost of Tsushima are my favorites. And I am married to a lovely little woman. She is little. I'm 6'4". She's 5 foot nothing. Happily married for about 12 years now. All right, that was about me. Let's dig into what this course is for and who's the ideal person to take this course, right? I've designed this course keeping founders in mind, particularly technical founders. Usually these people are, like you, they are solo founders, probably have their own startups. And some of the bigger ones, they have a small to medium-sized business. The one thing that brings them all together is that they have built a tech product or service, right? So you can think of it as a SaaS, a platform, some e-commerce stores, but not most of them. And usually the founders who are doing this, right? They are technical in nature, right? So they can build their stuff, and I totally respect that. But they don't necessarily have the marketing skills that they need, because creating value is different than communicating it, right? That's one of the bigger challenges that they face. And the one thing that's going to be in common with you and pretty much everybody else who's going to be taking this course is that you want to grow your business. And if you're still trying to figure out like, hey, is this the kind of person that I am? Think about this, are these some of the complaints that you have about marketing? There's a lot. I'm not going to go through all of them, but you can get this in the mind map that I'll be sharing as a part of the course, right? Sometimes you feel that you don't get marketing, or, it just feels that it's very wishy-washy, woo-woo sort of thing. This is something that I think many of us can relate to, which is we feel like our runway is kind of running short, right? And you'd rather spend more time building stuff than talking about it. This is perhaps one of the biggest complaints that I get, that people, technical founders and builders actually say. But it's true. It happens everywhere, right? We love building the stuff. That's why we get into building our business. But marketing is it's like wine, right? It's like an acquired taste, or is it beer? I don't know. Of course, there are a whole bunch of other things that happen, but the important thing I want you to remember is that you're not alone. And there are many, many, many different things that people are going to be saying, like, oh, this is why I don't want to do this, or I find marketing too difficult. Don't worry, you're not alone. With that, I'm going to be moving on to the next video, wherein I'll be talking about what you can expect by the end of this course. Bye.